Muscle cars, hot rods, and flashy boxes coming up. Here's a seductive babe in a 1926 Ford Roadster. Whee! Here's a sizzling girl in a 1936 Ford two-door coupe hot rod. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Flashy hottie here in a 2006 Wine Neck Cobra 780 cubic inch limited edition. Ooh, here's a sweet looking dame in a 2016 Dodge Viper SRT coupe. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.